Okay, part D. Part D says to find the value of this integral. Can't use a calculator, so when I can't integrate, I anti-differentiate and evaluate. No rule for that, so I think use substitution. So my two multiplying functions are x and square root of 25 minus x squared. So for use substitution, I'm going to take all or part of one of the multiplying functions. So I'm going to take part of this green multiplying function, and I'm hoping that the derivative of what I pick will equal the blue multiplying function. And it worked out great. This is leftover, so ignore that, sorry. So I chose u to equal 25 minus x squared. The derivative of my choice is negative 2x. The negative 2 being a multiplying constant doesn't matter. That's a perfect match for the other multiplying function. So I do some rearranging to get the x dx. So I'm going to have to replace x times dx. I've also got to change my limits. These are x values, I need u values. So I go find the values of u that correspond to those values of x. It does kind of a weird thing. It makes the limits seem upside down. So when I make all the replacements, this is my new transformed integral. I'm never going back to x now. I didn't want to integrate backwards, so I went ahead and pulled out the negative 1/2, switched the limits. That makes the negative 1/2 become positive. So I'm going to find this integral. The antiderivative of u to the 1/2 is u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2. Still have the 1/2 out front, and I've got to evaluate that from 0 to 25. If you have the red box, they'll give you 2 points. I'm not sure if they would give you any partial credit. I think if you got to here, they'd probably give you 1 point, knowing that you did all the use substitution stuff right. If you get all the way to the red box, 2 points. Last point is easy. Just plug in 0 and 25 into this formula. Oh, this is a constant. Dividing by 3/2 is the same thing as multiplying by 2/3. So that means I'd have 1/2 multiplied by 2/3. 2's can divide out because they're factors. So I'm left with just a 1/3. And then I take this, evaluated from at 25 and 0. You don't have to go any further than that green box. You get another point, 3 total points on part 4D.